It was a dark night. An old, desolate mansion stood on the edge of the village. People said that a strange creature lived there, neither a complete human nor an animal. Its eyes burned like red embers, and when it breathed, it seemed as if the air had stopped. Some young people, out of curiosity, stepped into the mansion. As soon as they opened the door, a gust of cold air came from inside and a terrifying scream echoed. Shadows began to crawl on the walls. Suddenly, two red eyes flashed in the darkness. It was the same creature, long claws, crooked teeth, and a strange rumbling voice. The teenagers ran away in fear, but one boy stayed behind. The next day, the villagers did not find that boy, only bloodstains and scratch marks on the door of the mansion. After that, no one dared to go there. Even today, when the wind blows at night, people say that the screams of that creature can be heard.